Hi, welcome back to Zach of All Trades. I'm Zach, and today I want to show you how to tweak your stretched out sunglasses back into shape. Before I do though, I want to give a quick unpaid, unsponsored company shout out to Spy Optics for showing me how to do this trick. I called the company to say that my sunglasses were stretched out. They said, "We're sorry, we no longer carry that model." And rather than referring me to the next closest model and selling another product, the lady on the phone told me how to fix their product. It's a small thing, but that spoke a lot to me. The company stands to profit from me just going out and buying another set, but they actually told me how to fix them. So, Spy Optics, thanks. I really appreciate this. Now onto the show. Over time, it seems as though my fat head has stretched out the plastic frame on my sunglasses, which is ordinarily not a big deal, like when I'm wearing them. They don't fall off of my head. The problem arises though when I go to put them in their storage position, or as my wife likes to call it, my headband. Up here, right? Where else are you going to put them? You can't put them in your pocket. While in the headband position, whenever I bend over, they fall off. This normally comes into play somewhere inconvenient, such as leaning over the engine bay of the truck, or a public restroom when I lean over to help my 3-year-old get his britches pulled up. So let's go ahead and work this out. First, in order to fix them, we got to understand what we're fixing, where it needs to be fixed. According to most optometrists on Google, right here, the bridge, this is what tends to stretch out, and when it stretches out, the arms stretch out. So get to the point, Zach. How do we fix it? Well, the fix is simple, really. Go wrangle the wife or girlfriend's hairdryer and heat it up right in a place that it needs adjusted. What if you don't have a wife or girlfriend or any sort of a reason to have a hairdryer? I get it. I got you covered. Hang on. Be careful not to cook it too much. High heat is good. And once you've sufficiently burned your finger, bend it right back to where you want it. Hold it there until it cools off. Now here are the non-hairdryer options. Get out your favorite saucepan or skillet and pour about 1 inch of salt in the bottom of it. Stick it in the oven at 220 degrees and leave it in there for a little while until the salt warms all the way through. Once it does, stick the bridge of your sunglasses in at 5 or 10 second intervals until it gets soft enough to reshape them. Alternatively, you can use boiling water to do the same job. Don't do it while it's still on the stove. You're not cooking spaghetti.